All right, guys, real quick, let's take a look under the bottom. What's making that bumping noise? Guys, I suspect, engine mounts, okay, motor mounts. Yes, this obviously has the hydraulic engine mounts on this side. Look at all that fluid, guys. That's from that hydraulic motor mount. So I definitely need a mount. Let's lay it back down and take a look at the top mount. So I can see this one worn and got one back here, guys. All right, yes. So I basically gonna need all 4 motor mounts, trans mount and the 3 engine mount. Let's lay it back down. All right, guys, I got it back down. As you can see, that transmission mount is wool smack out. Okay, so I definitely need a transmission mount. And you can see this car is leaning downward, so I got too much clearance right here. That means this center mount, this side mount is out. So let's go to the Chrysler dealer and see how much they motor mount. That was a bad idea, guys. Those motor mounts, engine supports from the dealership is extremely expensive, and not only that, they don't have them in stock. The hydraulic mounts are too expensive, guys. They do not have to be hydraulic. Go to Advanced Auto and get something there. They do not have to be hydraulic, guys. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys, y'all saw them hashtag short videos. I'm back. Look at the goodies that I got. 4 motor mounts, guys. This is every mount on the car. Transmission mount, I think that's trans mount, front, rear, and the side. This is the one that was hydraulic. Okay, no, it do not have to be hydraulic, guys. I went to Advanced Auto and got these parts. There's no liquid going to be leaking down my side. Okay, now granted, this is a high mileage car, Dodge Journey. Okay, but yeah, they do not have to be the hydraulic. In fact, you can't get it anyway. They're on back order or something. I was at the dealer and they don't have them in stock, so I got my work cut out for me. This car should not be bucking, and it's actually riding on the frame, guys. You you accelerate it hard, the engine revs up till it touches the body. That is a real good indication that it's time for some engine supports, guys. So yeah, like I say, once I move this TCM or this PCM mount, that mount will be right there. I had to jack it up. Same with this one, fairly easy, and the 2 under the bottom, so I'm not gonna really waste time filming this, guys. It's all self-explanatory, these mounts. I will explain what the mounts are there for. Okay, when you set a engine into a frame, in between this engine and trans assembly, what we call a drivetrain, there has to be some cushion, okay, on the frame. So only thing in between this and the frame of the car is cushion bushing. Okay, we call them engine support motor mounts. All right, yeah, and you're gonna have it. That's needed so the car will not be, or the engine and the car as well will not be moving so much. All right, vibration and things like that. So yes, over time it will wear out. Okay, this car 150,000 miles maybe. That's a good lifespan for those to last. All right, that's not something you just maintenancely replace unless you just, one of those type customers. But for the most part, you replace them when they worn out enough to warrant replacement, which is where I'm at right now. All right, so let me get started, guys. I got a lot of work to do. This is easy. Y'all hold tight, man. I'll be right back. guys. That's about it, guys. Again, managed to get all 4 engine support, transmission support replaced. As y'all saw, they was extremely worn, guys. All right, and I saved a lot of money by going to Advanced Auto Parts. Quite frankly, I didn't have a choice, okay, because the dealer ones with the fluid and stuff in them, it's on back order, okay, and plus they was 3 times more expensive. Like I say, I think this is the one that was hydraulic filled, but I got one from Advanced Auto that has no hydraulic fluid in it, so it's gonna work just fine, guys. I'm done. Let me go test drive this car, and we're gonna wrap this up, guys. I want y'all to keep something in mind. These are not tutorial videos, okay? Please don't. I mean, you can get a sense of what you're gonna have to do by watching them, but step by step, boat by boat, no. I'm not cut out for doing tutorial videos like that. Uncle Mark is cut out for doing stuff like that. Go join Uncle Mark's channel. All right. In fact, I'll link his channel in the description. He got a lot of engine support videos up on his Caravan, which basically the same thing, guys. All this stuff is the same thing. So I'm done. Let me wrap this video up. That's all I have. Thanks for watching.